Alright, so this is the dimensional analysis day 2. This is where we start talking about measuring in different SI units and converting between them. So, a basic unit, a base unit in SI could be a meter or a liter or a gram or a joule or a newton. So 1 kilometer, for example, because this could be any base unit, so kilometer, is equal to 1,000 regular meters. 100 centigrams, because grams are a base unit, is equal to 1 regular gram. 1,000 milliliters, because liter is a base unit, is equal to 1 liter. So those base units are interchangeable with meters and liters and grams and joules and newtons, but the prefixes will always remain the same. So 100 centi anythings will equal 1 base unit. 1,000 milli anythings will equal 1 base unit. Alright, moving along. So now we're going to work some problems. So convert 2 kilometers to micrometers. So we know we're going from kilometers to micrometers, so that's kind of our map right there. We'll start with our lonely number out front, 2 kilometers. Now I'll open up some parentheses. The only way to cancel out kilometers is by putting kilometers on the bottom, so that's just where they'll go. And I can't go from kilometers directly to micrometers. I don't know that conversion off the top of my head. But if we look back at the last page, I do know that for every 1 kilometer, I have 1,000 meters. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from kilometers to meters, because those are the base units. So for every 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. Now I've effectively canceled out kilometers. The way I cancel out meters is by putting them on the bottom of my next parenthetical statement, and now I can go to micrometers. And if you look back at the last page, you'll find that for every 1 meter, there are 1 million micrometers. And so to solve this problem, I'll take 2 times 1,000, because if it's on top you multiply, divided by 1, because if it's on bottom you divide, times 1 million, because it's on top, divided by 1, because it's on the bottom. You'll get 2 billion micrometers. Alright, so we'll do another 2-step problem. Converting 23 centigrams into micrograms. So 23 centigrams is our lonely number. Centigrams will go on bottom. I can't go directly to micrograms, so I'm going to go to the base, which is grams. There are 100 centigrams in 1 gram. Now I'll have grams on the bottom to cancel them out, and micrograms on top. And for every 1 gram, I have 1 million micrograms. So now I'll take 23 divided by 100 multiplied by 1 million, because the ones don't actually change anything. And I'll get 230,000 micrograms. Alright, we're going to do one more example. Oh, no, we're not. We've run out of examples. Alright, that is dimensional analysis when you're using those unit conversions. These unit conversions will be supplied for you on the test. I'd prefer you to know how to do the math, not just memorize these. Eventually we'll work with them so regularly you'll just memorize them anyway, but for the test they will be provided.